Today we are representing what if you hold your sneeze for too long. Holding a sneeze greatly increases pressure inside the respiratory system to a level about 5 to 24 times that caused by the sneeze itself. Holding this additional pressure inside your body can cause potential injuries, contains pulled muscles, burst eardrums, ruptured blood vessels in the eyes, and even broken ribs. Not only that, also that causes some serious complications to your body, including pneumomediastinum, which is air becoming trapped between your lungs. Even worse, according to experts, the pressure caused by holding in the sneeze can potentially lead to the rupturing of the brain aneurysm. This is a life-threatening injury that can result in bleeding in the skull around the brain. So I need to give you some advice. Next time, when you feel like sneezing, cover your nose and mouth and allow your body to sneeze when it needs to. Wow, you got a good speech. Yeah, I also like your speech. Me too. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell and share.